anywhere you dey for the world. Naija na home. Our fine culture, lifestyle, food, passion, Naija na still we own. As day dey break, the Naija spirits go wake, and wey day don dark, and you think say na to sleep remain, na that time the groove just dey start. Because no matter wetin happen, the Naija spirit no go die. This na Naija life.
If you look for my bike, you see it for top one high house. We say yes, it's there for inside one big ghetto from obodo Lagos. Today episode from top the show they call Naija Life. Today episode na KPACKO Houses. My name na Kabuchi, and for this episode, also make we chook eye into the fact that people they stay for inside houses today. They use KPACKO wood to build. We go there and talk. We go interview them. We also get the visuals. We say go show now. Make una for know say yes, shelter cuts across anywhere where they stay at all. Now your house. And this na Naija Life. Also onto the show today, and for top the channel, na there it will go happen. My name na Kabuchi, and this na Naija Life. Make una watch out.
First and foremost, my name is Fatai Shitu, popular known as Bale. So it's my Bale post. So then this our community is Sule community. Inside Aje Ifeludun local government under Ajegunle is our CD. That is the name of our CDA. So as we did this area, so many things now we pass through. We use same day now till now. Thank God, say when there is life, there is still hope. As we did here now, so we still they talk to our government, because according to what they happen now, if they want to come meet us for election, they will come here. After the 4 years, now we will see them again. We will not see them. So now we say we advise them we just need road and some other people that know they fit help us, because they talk about votes now. Who they vote here pass? You know they see many of their these things. We vote past people even the normal road. So we still advise them, make them try, make them just anything they know they fit help us. Make them try, make them help us. Well, what I see talk for this park where we stay, they say we don't face many challenges, such as formerly when we have a fire disaster for this our area here. But thank God says after the fire, when we go back, we'll go meet the king of Ojora land, that is Oba Ojora. So it's give us a chance to go build our house back. Then thank God we are still here. So what is our KPACKO house? So many things. Because concern security aspect, we dey try for security. You know they allow anything thief for this area. Anything thief, we always dey face them. You know they allow thief here. Because if I don't make a mistake, I will call myself that I'm one of the PRO. Then we have a vigilante for this area, who they know me well, quite all right. So anything, say all these bad boys, before we even rent house out for somebody, we would like to know the person, then look who bring and come before we go rent the house out. Then after again, we see the monitor and one look in character. You say you did house complete 1 week, you no go work. When you no go work, we go try to want to know say wetin happen. Why they sleep or you where they go out for night? We want to know say what they find for night when they go work daily. So all these things we go like try to know. So when it don't happen like that, these are the no movement of people. Then we thank God say for this area. And if you talk about thief, 419, all these things, kidnapper, you know this area. Because we don't do environmental of this place, we don't clear them out. Well, concern all this mosquito, all these things, no matter anything, due to the environment, we see mosquito, but thank God say only one thing we say we get the help, this is a mosquito net. Nobody no get them, and one girl of us here, all the reason for house. If somebody even enters new, if you say okay, go to a place, they'll give you this mosquito net, so you can use them. Then where you do mosquito net, do all these things, I notice that say mosquito will feel disturb you. So there's no problem. If you look, even if you look at our body, you know they say we more there. Most of us our body they fresh. Pass people they. So we thank God. No be we na God. Okay. One be saying say for my vigilante work, because I work with police and people together. So to show them, to let them know, say my own this thing now. No any operation where won't happen for this area. When police won't come for, they must call me. DPO will call my number, say hello, Fatai, will they come your side? If you do not, if no this area, I said they will carry me go on that place. I work for them because I'm a vigilante officer. So I'm inspector by rank. So thank God that I see my daily bread and I see that I feed my family. I have children going to school. So we are feeling fine. So no problem here. So that we are thanking our God.
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.